Imagine waking up one day to find that your bank account has doubled overnight. Sounds amazing, right? But would it really solve all your problems? Many people think having more money is the key to happiness and success, but the truth is, how we think about money can be even more important than how much we have. Our society often measures success by wealth. We see stories of rich celebrities and entrepreneurs and think, if only I had that kind of money, I'd be happy too. But money isn't just about buying things or saving for the future. It's deeply connected to our emotions, beliefs, and values. This video will explore the most powerful way to think about money. By the end, you'll understand that money is a tool to achieve your goals, not the goal itself. Ready to rethink your relationship with money? Let's dive in. Number 1. The psychology of money. Money isn't just about numbers. It's about how we think and feel. Our relationship with money starts early, influenced by our parents, culture, and personal experiences. For example, if you grew up in a family where money was tight, you might feel anxious about spending. On the other hand, if your family was well off, you might see money as a source of freedom. Psychologists say that our money habits are deeply rooted in our emotions. Fear, guilt, and even love can affect how we handle money. For instance, someone might overspend to feel better after a bad day, while another person might save every penny out of fear of future hardship. Experts like Morgan Housel, author of The Psychology of Money, explain that understanding our feelings about money can help us make better financial choices. By recognizing our emotional triggers, we can change our money habits and make smarter decisions. Understanding the psychology of money is the first step toward financial freedom. Number 2. Money as a tool, not a goal. Many people think the goal in life is to get as much money as possible. But money should be seen as a tool to help us achieve our dreams, not the end goal itself. When we see money this way, it changes how we use it. Imagine you want to travel, start a business, or help your family. Money can make these things possible, but the real value is in the experiences and opportunities it provides, not just in having a big bank account. Experts like financial advisor Ramit Sethi say that money should support your life goals, not be the goal itself. By focusing on what money can help you achieve, you can make better decisions. Instead of just saving or spending without purpose, you use money to build a life you love. Seeing money as a tool helps you enjoy your life more and reduces the stress of always wanting more. It's a powerful way to rethink your finances. Number 3. The importance of financial literacy. Knowing how to manage money is called financial literacy. It's not just about being able to count money or pay bills. It's about understanding how money works and making smart choices with it. Financial literacy can make a big difference in your life. Many people don't learn about money in school. This leaves them guessing about how to save, invest, or manage debt. Without this knowledge, it's easy to make mistakes that can lead to stress and financial trouble. Experts agree that being financially literate helps you avoid common mistakes, like taking on too much debt or not saving enough for emergencies. Financial literacy gives you the tools to make informed decisions and plan for the future. By learning about money management, you can take control of your financial life. It's never too late to start. With the right knowledge, you can build a stable and prosperous future. Number 4. The role of emotions in financial decisions. Emotions play a big role in how we handle money. When we're happy, sad, stressed, or excited, our feelings can influence our financial choices. Understanding this can help us make better decisions. Think about a time when you made a purchase because you were feeling down. Maybe you bought something you didn't really need just to feel better. This is a common way emotions affect our spending. It's called retail therapy, and it can lead to financial problems if not kept in check. Research shows that fear, guilt, and even love can impact our money habits. For instance, fear of not having enough can make people save excessively, while love might lead them to spend too much on gifts for others. Understanding these emotional triggers can help us manage our money better. Experts suggest being aware of your emotions and taking a moment to think before making financial decisions. By doing this, you can avoid impulsive spending and make choices that are better for your long-term financial health. Recognizing the role of emotions in financial decisions is a key step towards smarter money management. Number 5. Redefining financial success. Financial success is often seen as having lots of money, but it can mean different things to different people. It's important to find your own definition of financial success that goes beyond just being rich. For some, financial success means having enough money to feel secure and free from worry. For others, it might mean being able to travel, support their family, or pursue their passions. The key is to focus on what truly matters to you. Experts like financial planner Carl Richards suggest asking yourself what you value most and aligning your financial goals with those values. This way, your money supports the life you want to live, rather than defining it. Redefining financial success helps you focus on what's important and reduces the pressure to always have more. It's about finding balance and using money to enhance your life, not control it. Number 6. Practical steps to change your money mindset. Changing how you think about money can improve your financial life. Here are some practical steps to help you develop a healthier money mindset. First, set clear goals. Decide what you want to achieve with your money, like paying off debt, saving for a home, or building an emergency fund. Clear goals give you direction and motivation. Next, create a budget. Track your income and expenses to see where your money goes. This helps you make better spending choices and find areas where you can save. Many people find budgeting apps helpful for this. Practice gratitude. Take time to appreciate what you have instead of always wanting more. This can reduce the urge to spend on things you don't need and help you feel more content. Educate yourself. Read books, take courses, or listen to podcasts about personal finance. The more you know, the more confident you'll feel about managing your money. Stay mindful of your emotions. Recognize when feelings like stress or happiness influence your spending. Take a moment to think before making financial decisions. Lastly, surround yourself with positive influences. Talk to friends or join groups focused on smart money management. Support from others can keep you motivated. By following these steps, you can shift your money mindset, make smarter financial choices, and build a more secure future. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. And if you made it to this point of the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.